In emergency situation, it is very common to experience high levels of anxiety and stress. These emotions can cloud the logical thinking and make decision-making difficult. Now imagine if you're in a country where you don't speak the language. Obviously, it's going to be very difficult for you to remember those long phrases that you studied before you travel. Well, in this video, I brought you a few words that you can remember and you can communicate even if you don't speak Spanish. Now, I really hope you never have to use these words in your life. But like we say in my country, in Mexico, a prepared woman is worth for two. Follow me. Emergency, emergencia. Emergencia, emergencia. Help! Ayuda! 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 Hospital, hospital. 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 Physician or doctor, médico or doctor. Médico, doctor. Médico, doctor. Physician or doctor, nurse, enfermero, if it's a guy, or enfermera, if it's a girl. Enfermero, enfermera. Fire, fuego. 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 Sometimes they say incendio. Incendio. Danger. Peligro. Peligro. If you see a stripe, red stripe, and says peligro, don't go in there, okay? Peligro. Accident is accidente. Accidente. Injury or wound se dice herida. 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 Blood. Sangre. 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 Hazard. Riesgo. 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 Mayday or help. Ayuda. You can say, ayuda. Socorro. Ayuda. Socorro. Okay. Evacuation. Evacuación. Evacuación. Emergency exit. Salida de emergencia. Salida de emergencia. If you need to ask for help in Spanish, say, necesito ayuda. Necesito ayuda. If you want to say, call an ambulance, you say, llame a una ambulancia. Llame a una ambulancia. If you need a doctor, you say, necesito un doctor. Necesito un doctor. If your flight is approaching, I advise you to go and watch this video. Ok, amigos, ahora sí, hasta luego, nos vemos.